Good morning and welcome. It's Gilly and I'm here on the Sunshine Coast in Queensland, Australia, coming to you with a very quick little pour because I just let the camera roll while I was testing out on this old canvas to see if I could dip a tree. Yeah, dip a tree. Oh, some yucky bits there, but you get that and you just push on. no problem. I wanted to just see, everybody's doing this swipe a tree at the moment. That was, and so I just wanted to see, because I did it a while ago, I used the side of a canvas to dip some palm trees, must have been about a year now, and I thought, I could dip a tree instead of swipe a tree, or I could combine the two of dipping and swiping. So what I wanted to achieve in this particular one was the look of birch trees with a kind of snowy kind of background. So that was my idea, but I'll just let you see what you think of what I achieved. If you give it a go, or you'll give it a go, or was it a goer, or is it a knower? No, I'll just let you decide. Let me know. So first of all, what I did was just coated my canvas with just acrylic paint that has my normal pouring medium, and the description of that is in the drop-down box. These that I'm using to now swipe the base are the Boom Gel stains. They're a pre-made pouring paint, so you don't have to do anything whatsoever to. The only thing I added was a little bit of a boom booster to my swipe colour, and you will see that when I do that in a second. So I'll just let you have a little look for now at what's happening. So I've now got a small bare canvas, and as you see, I'm just pushing the canvas gently into the swiped paint, and it does create kind of a birch tree trunk effect. I believe it does, and I just want to, as again, it was just an experiment to see, because I had done this before to try and get the effect of a palm tree trunk. So yeah, it was like, it's a simple way to get a tree effect if you're don't want to swipe it like the other technique shows. I will put a link to the other swipe tree I did at the end of towards the end of this video, if you didn't see the swiped tree, which was beautiful. Just let me know what you think. I'll just carry on with the dipping of the canvas onto canvas, and now I will just use the card to swipe. So it's a dip and swipe, a dip and swipe. So I hope you enjoy the effects that this gives. Oh, I am so loving this effect of dipping my tree trunks. I've got a few broken ones there. What I'm doing now is putting the extra swipe colours along the bottom. I want to kind of create a ground of a snowy kind of ground effect on there. So just using paints to create my effects, and the swipe, just those little pieces of card to swipe. Oh yes, I'm loving it. There is so much possibility with dipping your tree trunks to make, does that look like birch that have lost all their leaves with the night sky behind in a snowy background? It's amazing what you can do with dipping and swiping for effect. So I hope you enjoyed that one. Please let me know what you think, and I will be back tomorrow with another pour. Pretty much every day I do pours and trying to keep it interesting by doing different techniques and styles, but ultimately I just love colour and love creating. So bye for now.